What's up, guys? No! Today we're going to be reviewing two products, the first of which every Mustang owner should have, and it is this ZL1 add-ons splitter guard washers. I got these from my friend Xander13. If you guys haven't seen his channel, make sure you go check it out. I'm sure you guys have all heard that noise, that bone-chilling noise when you're hitting a speed bump, or going down onto the road coming out of a store, or going up into some sort of a ramp at the grocery store, what have you. You heard that blood-curdling. Anyway, these splitter guards are made of black chrome carbon steel, and they're going to make sure that doesn't scar up the bottom of your front splitter. It's a pretty easy install. There are 6 washers here. They're very tough. They're black, so you're not going to be able to see them from a distance unless you're like putting your head under the car. And it's just an awesome insurance policy to make sure that expensive front splitter doesn't get hit. You know what I'm saying? Xander13, thanks for looking out, bro. So for this install, you're going to need a lift. I'm using my quick jack, which is awesome. You can see a review of that in the description below, or you could just use regular jacks or lifts or what have you. But you're definitely going to want to have a jack, or else you're not going to be able to get your hands under there to get these installed. I'm going to be using a power drill, although that isn't necessary. You don't actually drill pilot holes with this. You just drill these Phillips screws in there, and it holds it tightly. I can't tell you, most of my driving is done in New York, and the roads are less than desirable. These things are going to help out. The second thing I'm going to install is a small mod. It's recommended for our GT350 owners, and it is lettering. Let me show you guys. Come with me, please. So you see the Shelby that's written in there on the splitter. I don't want it to be loud. I'm not going to do red or white on it just yet. I like things to be sort of a matte color, kind of like a stealth color. So I'm actually going to put these on. So I'm going to put these on from Haru Creative. I got these on Amazon, link in the description below. And they're more of a, they just add a little bit of shininess to the matte black that's there, just to give it a little bit of a call out. You can see the Shelby a little bit more, but it's not gaudy or flashy. I took a little risk getting these, but they're pretty cheap. I think I paid like less than 20 bucks for these. So if they don't look good, I'm probably going to go with red, or I may even go with gray. Not sure. But for now, let's start with the splitter guards. Here we go. Now I'm going to use my comfy little Pro Lift. You guys don't have to if you don't want to. Not like I'm going to give you a bad grade if you don't. This might not be as cool as me. I'm actually going to do 5 of these. I'm using a Makita drill, or if you are from Japan, it is pronounced Makita. That's right, your boy used to live in Japan for 7 years. Get your Phillips bit. You're going to want to drill 1/4 inch in, put 1 in the middle, and space them out evenly. Like I said, I'm going to put 5, so I'll put 1 in the middle, a couple about another foot down, and then another foot or so down after that. There we go. So as you can see, I've taken a couple nasty hits here, and also on the left side as well. A little bit in the front too. All right, so our first one's going to go right in the center here. Once again, about 1/4 inch in. Once again, these are self-setting, so you don't need to drill a pilot hole. Easy as that. First one's up. All right, of course we're going to want one right here where all these scratches are. Done. All right. Got one there and one right next to it for added protection. All right. All right, so I like these ones from Haru Creative. They come with 2 sheets just in case you make a mistake. Let's see how they look. So as you can see, we got some serious rock chip damage on my vinyl stripes. We'll be doing a video on that soon to rectify. So the Shelby is just indented on here, and I think that putting these shiny black stickers will accentuate that just a little bit, just enough to maintain that sort of stealth image that I like. Obviously, we're going to want to clean these off before, and I just detailed this car, believe it or not. So we'll just put these on. All right, guys, let me know what you think. I think it looks good. Just calls out the Shelby a little bit more, but not too flashy. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. You can definitely see it from further away. I like it. And I didn't even use these extra ones. So if anybody wants these, the first one to tell me in the comments below will get them. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed these 2 mods. Remember that I have those extra sheet of stickers for the Shelby. So if any of you Shelby owners out there want it, the first one who makes a comment below, I will send them to you. I'll give you my email address. It's ratedrcars@gmail.com. Shoot me your address, and I'll send that off to you guys. All right, guys, always remember the motto, always be kinder than necessary. See you in the next one.